Hi, I'm Rosie. I'm the market manager for Thailand. So I'd like to tell you a little bit about the London School of English today. We've got two centres in London. We've got Holland Park Gardens Centre, which is our 30 plus and business and professional centre. And then we've got Westcroft Square, which is our general English and academic English centre. The two centres are quite different. They appeal to different kinds of clients. The clients at our business and professional centre are mainly senior managers, executives who come from quite short courses, who want to study business English and professional English, and are often here for networking opportunities as well. And over at our other centre, we tend to have long-term students, lots of different nationalities, only a few Thai students, and split between many different levels of English. So perhaps, for example, at the moment there are about 8 Thai students here and lots of different other nationalities, many Europeans, Japanese, Korean, Saudi Arabian, Brazilian, many different nationalities. So you'll have lots of opportunities to speak to other nationalities and to not speak in Thai at all inside the school. The main courses over here are intensive general English and academic English, and yeah, these are all held in classes of maximum class size of 12 students and often fewer students than that in a class. And our teachers are very well experienced, have very dynamic teaching methods, and will get you really involved and a focus on communication, so lots of speaking practice and group role plays and things like that going on. We are, as a school, one of our, in fact, probably the most famous thing about our school is that it's over 100 years old. So we are actually the oldest accredited language school in the world. Of course, that's given us a lot of experience to work out what students really want from their stay in the UK. And it's a medium-sized centre, so very friendly. We get to know everybody very well, but still large enough to have a good, diverse mix of nationalities. So I hope you would like to come and study here, and one thing that many people know us for is our free lunch. So included in the course fees is a daily lunch in our school restaurant with great food and a great social and relaxation time in the middle of the day.